Hey everybody, gonna do a little painting this morning from that concentrate that I got from all that dredging I did last weekend. See what we got. Unfortunately, I forgot my screen in the Jeep, so I had to improvise and adapt. I'm definitely gonna go buy another one, so I have one in each location. Let's see what we got. Yeah, do a little bit at a time. Go around. Watch some rocks. Not known for a lot of big chunky gold, so just looking for a little bit of alluvial. Probably should have washed through here. That's all they've been finding down there. So get rid of that. Put this out. Go over to my little painting station right here. See what we got. It's all fun either way. Gotta keep practice painting. Take it out, get the heavies to the bottom. Get rid of the sand, see what we got. We got a lot of the black metal down there. Yeah, painting's kind of a pain, but yeah, a little fun. Never know. You're gonna do it if you ain't gonna find anything if you're not trying, right? You gotta enjoy life a little bit and try different things. A little sand out of there. See what we got. Who knows? I've done a lot of prospecting down there. I haven't had a lot of luck. Either I suck at it or I don't know. I'm watching a lot of shows. Try my best. It's all fun. It's a learning experience. But like I said, if you're not trying, you're not finding. Let's see. Shoot around a little bit here. No. I see a lot of black. I don't see any gold. Eh, well, just gotta keep trying. Not easy out there in this gold prospecting world. Have fun, everybody.